So, my truck's broken down. I'm missing out on about $200 to $180 for the day. Well, that's just one load. So, yeah, she's broke. I was pulling the 53 dry van today. Kind of messed me up. I've been broke down since 10 o'clock, 10:30. I think the battery is shot or the alternator is shot. But I don't have a spare alternator, nor do I have spare batteries. I drive for a company, so I made the phone call. He's supposed to be on the way and sending somebody to come check it out. But I think that alternator may be shot. Either way it goes, it's the alternator or the battery, because the simple fact that when I go to try to start it up, my battery life says 11. At first it said 12. Then it started dropping down. As I was rolling, it started dropping down. So that's why I say I think it's maybe the alternator started acting up. Luckily, I pulled over in this spot because I was in the middle of the street trying to get over. So luckily it made it to here. I ran in the restroom, left it running to go to the restroom just to make sure that it wasn't gonna do anything. And I came out, yep, sure enough, it was dead. Tried to start it back up, battery voltage read 11.4. Hasn't started up since. So, all I can do now is sit and wait. I tried removing the little battery cover and getting the boost. Tried removing the battery cover to get a boost. Boosted it up. Nothing happened. So, that's why I'm led to believe it's alternator or battery. Either the alternator killed the batteries because the batteries had to keep the truck running because the alternator was dead, or either the batteries killed the alternator, whatever. One or two, vice versa, whatever. But it was definitely something. Yeah, just gonna sit and wait now. That's all I can do. I don't think that load's gonna make it today, so look like I'm gonna have to reschedule for tomorrow. Missed out on a little punk 180, 200, so I'll make up for it. Still work. Oh well. I'll get my lighter. Spark me up a Black and Mild for right now. Can't do shit.